So this is how we looking. Still dirty. Still gotta get the springs on. Yes, I'm deciding that I should just put the springs on so the fitment could be good. And gonna end up putting the Brembos on. But right now, so this is the difference in stock versus ultra lowered for king spring. It shouldn't be that bad. Like, it's supposed to go down like 1.5 inches, so that should be able to clear. Here go the comparison of the rotors, as you can see. Y'all don't know, to even get these on, you will have to drill the holes bigger because, of course, these are just bigger overall, but they fit completely. Like, rotors fit on there, Brembos fit, but the bolts definitely got to get larger holes. Here in the rear, major difference, major. Right now, I just took off caliper, the rotor, it's right there. Now I'm loosening up the 4 bolts. Y'all know me, y'all know I get hands on, even though you know, say don't really have to, but I like to get hands on. Different in the rear. Mind you, this is stock, and these are ultra king springs.
And here's the best part, I can give you a 2 if you want.
So all the Brembos and springs are on, as you can see. No, you just bleeding it.
That way you ain't gotta get in there and hit the brakes. This is the power bleeder.
So it like pushes all of it.
Push all the air out of the brake calipers.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Straight as hell. Yep. And that's about last thing for today. So, got new wheels. We fixed the spring problem because you remember the one we had chopped up. Fixed this problem and end up just upgrading them to lower end springs, and we also got better brakes and rotors. Upgrade to the Brembos. So getting there gradually. Good. Still going down.
It's definitely lower.
Yeah. And that's way better. I know y'all seen how it looked before I ever got here, right? This is it now. Look at that stance. I literally look like I'm ready to go drift, nigga. Dog, I'm happy as fuck, bro.
You bring the front down just a little bit more. The back lower than the front now.
But I do need that clearance. Do what I do.
Yeah.
But that low is
That's
that.
hard.
Oh my god. Shit. You could tell they just good.
Yeah, they grab it for sure.
Shit go crazy.
That looks fucking good, nigga. Oh, I'm back around my area. It took a good minute to get it back home. Look at that, man. Look at that, man. Look at that. Yeah, we back home with it. Looking nice. And you know I took off them V6 taillights because I wanted to go with the look.